everyone. Welcome to today's Foundations of Excel video. Today in your EduJob, you will be learning the basics of the Excel program, and we'll be walking through it, and we're going to focus specifically on three things. First, we're going to focus how do you use the Microsoft Excel program. Number two, what are these things we're looking at called cells? And lastly, number three, we're going to learn how to format our columns and our rows. So first, Excel is a program that has been created by Microsoft and is great at storing and organizing data. Now, that term data is a little vague, and it's vague on purpose because when we talk about data, it's really any piece of information. It could be words, it could be names, it could be numbers, it could be lists of something, it could be money, it could be any type of number. I mean, it can be lots of forms of data that can be stored here in our Excel spreadsheet. Now, as you're looking at Excel, a couple things to take note of. The overall navigation is very similar to our other Microsoft Office platforms, Word and PowerPoint. You see tabs up here at the top. You're going to use these just the same as you would in PowerPoint and Word. So just be aware that those are available to you. Then we're going to focus on some of the big differences. And the most obvious one is what you're seeing down here, these little boxes. Now, these little boxes, they're called cells. That is what makes Excel such a great great program that stores and organizes data. Is you can store it individually in these cells. So if I were to if I just start typing, I could type like the number 1, the number 2, the number 3. You could see I can also type words like maybe Monday or Tuesday. So different words can go in different cells. Now, as we talk about these cells, they are for information. That's number one. You got to understand that these cells are for storing and organizing your information or your data. But when you open up an Excel spreadsheet, you're going to want to customize it in some way. So today we're going to focus on the customization of columns and rows. So you notice Excel is divided here. Our spreadsheet is divided into columns that are letters, A, B, C, D, etc., and numbers that are rows. Now, what you're looking at is the preset. I just opened this blank spreadsheet. I haven't made any adjustments. But let's say that I run into a problem. Let's say that in column A, I have a title that's a little bit long. Like, let's just say I write my first column. But you notice a problem that the my first column takes up too much space, and it's actually extending into column B. We can make a change to fix that. So there's a couple ways to change the size of columns and rows. First, if you want to change only one column or one row at a time, you can do it like this. You can take your mouse. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we can see a little bit more clearly. You take your mouse and you hover on the border or the line in between two of your columns or rows. You click and you drag to pull it wider. So you can see I just doubled the width of column A. And now look, my words fit nicely. And there's column B. But you can see I only changed column A. So that's the way you want to change one at a time. Same thing for rows. If I wanted to make row 1 wider, check it out. Now row 1 is twice as wide as row 2. Now, that's really the best way, one at a time. If you want to change a lot, like let's say that I'm making a spreadsheet and it's going to have information I know in columns A, B, C, D, and E. Rather than doing these individually, I'm going to change them all at the same time. So step 1 is you have to select the columns that you want. So I just click and drag over A, B, C, D, and E. Then I'm going to take my mouse over to the right-hand side. You're going to see a format button right here. It's under the Home tab, Format button. I'm going to click on it, and immediately I'm presented with a couple options. Since we are working with columns, I'm going to change column width. So I'm going to click on column width. Then I'm going to be presented with a number here. Mine says 8.11. I'm just going to double it to 16, just to a nice even number, and then click OK. And watch what's going to happen to columns A through E. Boom. Now look, all of them are twice the size. Or I can do the same thing with rows. Let's say that maybe I want rows 1 through 5 to all be twice as big. I would highlight those rows, go to Format, Row Height, and it's 14.4. I'm just going to double it once again to 28, a nice even number. And now check it out. All of my all of my rows are twice as big. Okay, so that's a quick walkthrough of how to first customize your spreadsheet from the beginning. I recommend that anytime you start a project on Excel, you start by formatting it correctly. So make sure your columns are the correct width, rows are the right height, and that is actually all we're going to talk about in this video. The next video in our Foundations of Excel will focus more on individual cells and patterns and an intro to some functions and equations. Thank you for hopping on today. Best of luck on your Edu job. Do your best. Submit that to your job coach, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.